So, all right, well, let's go ahead and get started. What are we doing today? Well, as always, I have your fun stuff for you. I have another riddle. So, we're going to do your riddle first things first. Then we're going to learn more about the president. All right. Yesterday, if you remember, our president that we are learning about this week, the 14th one, Mr. Franklin Pierce, had a pretty rough life, had 3 kids. All of them passed away when they were kids. One rather tragically in a train accident. It was pretty rough, but we're going to learn a little more about President Pierce today. Also, we're going to do our lesson, and our lesson is, I believe, word problems with decimals. I believe that's what we're doing today is our lesson. And then if we have time, some question and answer. So you guys ready? How about we get started? Sound good? All right, here we go. Fun stuff first. A man looking at a photograph said, "Brothers and sisters have I none. That man's father is my father's son." Who is in the picture? Oops. All right, it says it's his own son. His own son. All right. His grandfather, his own son, the father of that man. All right. His father. Don't know. His own son. All right, good job. You guys ready to move on? We are moving into presidents. And we have some more information on Franklin Pierce. And the piece I'm going to show you today is actually from biography or biography.com.
Because he was offensive to no one. He would leave office reviled by all.
Pierce had terrible timing throughout his life. Even his timing of when he got elected president was poor.
All right, but first I want to show you a little video about decimal word problems. All right, we are going to go watch the video on decimal word problems. Then I'll take you into Canvas and I'll remind you where you can find the links for these videos that we watch.
So what you can expect to see in this lesson is that we will do 4 word problems with adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing of decimals. And in this, we'll just try and go through them pretty quickly and show you some examples of the types of questions you can expect to see in each of those categories. So here is our first example with addition. I had $3.21 and I earned $7.92. How much do I have now? Any question like this where you will be joining 2 groups together or 2 amounts together, you'll be increasing an amount by a certain amount, then you'll do that using addition of decimals. So in this case, I would write it out vertically and solve it. 321 plus 792 is equal to $11.13. Basically, you can have lots of different factor pairs. And what you may also want to do with this type of question is to list the options. So that you just list all of the factor pairs out: 1, 24, 24, 1, 2, 12, 12, 2, 3, 8, 8, 3, 4, 6, 6, 4, and make sure that you get all of the factor pairs.
Yes, 1.36 hundredths of a mile. Absolutely. All right, 6.95. Let's take a look at this one because some of you did this one. Troy's cats weigh 9.5 and 8.25, and his dog weighs 25 pounds. How much more does his dog weigh than the cats? So you had to add the cats together to get the difference here, my friends. So that would have been, yes. So not sure what some of you did there. Maybe you only subtracted one and not both is my guess. but you would have added them together, then subtracted. That one was a two-stepper. Nice work, guys. All right, let's keep going.